You know what I mean?
Banana. Out of the tube station. It was quite nice. Oh, yeah. You did?
All you feel is you don't know. Please stay if you believe in tomorrow.
You got a wonky helmet?
Please say that you'll be there if I let go. I tell you hope is gone if you don't stay. I tell you I am done if you don't show me the way. Please stay, if only for today. Please stay when you see the sky.
What's the condition of that joint there on the right?
I know the very same.
Nice weather today.
Please stay, I don't know to go. Please stay.
This part you probably don't want to. For London. There you go. You love it.
That's how you deal with it.
Is it worst?
Yeah.